Does the thought of bank reconciliation make you break out in a cold sweat? If matching your QuickBooks records with your bank statement feels like finding a needle in a haystack, you're not alone. Today, we're demystifying the reconciliation process in QuickBooks Online, once and for all. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Reconciliation is simply the process of comparing your recorded transactions in QuickBooks with your actual bank statement to ensure they match perfectly. Step 1. Locate the reconciliation tool. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Accounting or Tools menu and select Reconcile. Choose the bank account you want to reconcile and enter the statement date and ending balance directly from your bank statement. Step 2. The matching game. QuickBooks will show you a list of transactions. Go through them one by one, checking off each transaction that appears on both your bank statement and in QuickBooks. The goal is to get the difference between the two records to zero. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: start with your ending balance from the previous period. Before you begin a new reconciliation, ensure the last one was completed successfully. The beginning balance for your current period must match the ending balance from your last reconciled statement. If it doesn't, you'll be fighting an uphill battle from the start. So, just like that, you're equipped to keep your financial records accurate and spot any discrepancies early. A monthly reconciliation goes a long way in maintaining a healthy, trustworthy set of books. Now I'm curious, do you reconcile your accounts monthly, or has it been a while? Share your best reconciliation tip in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.